Here's a fun and spicy bacterial disease, chlamydia. So chlamydia is another one of those fastidious bacteria, which mean they're a pain in the ass, and these guys actually, as of so far, are unculturable. So they're really difficult to study in the lab because they have to be studied basically in vivo from actual infected patients and taken directly from them, because you can't grow samples in the lab because these bacteria are super picky and annoying. The main reason for them being so difficult to culture is they are obligate intercellular pathogens, which means they need to be inside living cells in order for them to live, which is the same deal with viruses and thus makes viruses also incredibly difficult to study. So chlamydia actually have like two different forms. They have the extracellular form, which is the infectious agent, so that spreads between hosts and that's kind of all it does. And then there's the intercellular reproductive form. Chlamydia is probably most well known for being an STD that both men and women can get from sexual contact, but there's also a form that can cause pneumonia. So kind of the most common symptoms associated with chlamydia is just quite a lot of pain and discomfort surrounding the entire urogenital tract in both men and women, and everything in between. Basically, it just kind of sucks all over. It's not a great feeling, especially in some very sensitive areas. Now, if you are a fan of koalas, I am about to ruin your day, because the majority of the entire koala population, so close to 90 to 100% of koalas, are infected with chlamydia. Who'd have thought? And it can cause very similar symptoms in koalas as it does in humans concerning the urogenital tract, but it can also make them go blind occasionally, which is not good for them because they need to be able to see and be able to climb and avoid predators and all that, so this is really not great for them. Also, very interestingly, earlier this year, so like around May of 2023, researchers found a bacteria in the Great Barrier Reef that is very similar to chlamydia bacteria. I'm not sure if it's been 100% confirmed yet, but it is weirdly similar. So yeah, the weird bacteria that's kind of a pain in the ass, occasionally even literally.